This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In this video, I want to talk about a feature I've talked about before called Bulk Edit. And one of the reasons I want to talk about it is it has a nice new improvement. Now, what is Bulk Edit? Bulk Edit is used in Dynamics 365 and Power Apps for making the same change to multiple records at the same time. For example, you can see on these account records, some of them don't have a relationship type. And I know they're all prospects. What I can do is open up each record one at a time and change the relationship type, or I can select multiple accounts from this list, and I could even go one step further and say this one here should not be a customer, and I'll make a change to all four of these at the same time. Once they're highlighted, I click Edit, and notice I get a warning. I can't change all of these records. Why? One of them is inactive. It's one of the limitations of Bulk Edit. But if I continue, I can change the other three. Now, if you've used this feature before, you'll remember that old style screen that would pop up with a bunch of fields and you had to cross your fingers and hope the one you wanted was there. The new improvement, which was a surprise to me, is the standard form that I've been using the whole time shows up instead. And it's not a full screen width, so it's not the exact form. It's condensed to appear on the right-hand side here, but all of the fields that are on that form are available here. The relationship type is right here. I can simply make them a prospect. You'll also notice any of the fields that appear in your header, in other words in this section right here, show up on the header tab instead. I don't need to change those, so I'll just go back to summary. Here's another nice feature. As you may know, you can have several forms for every entity in Dynamics 365 and Power Apps. In the account entity, for example, we have several. You can switch between them just like you could on the normal account form. I don't need to do that here, so I'll just click Save. And notice it's saving 3 records, not 4. And once the screen refreshes, all of those records are now prospects. It's as simple as that.